everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Starbucks gift card online. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in starbucks.com and search. Now you will end up in the official website for starbucks.com. If you don't have a Starbucks account yet, you will need to create one. If you already have an account, sign into your existing account. To create a new account, click on Join Now at the top right hand corner, and then you can also activate your Starbucks gift card during the sign up process. To create an account, first of all, go ahead and enter your first name and then your last name, and under account security, enter a valid email address. After typing in a valid email address, go ahead and create a password for your Starbucks account. Make sure to create at least 8 to 25 characters long password, which includes an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number along with a special character. After including these criteria inside your password, click on Already Have a Starbucks gift card in order to add your gift card right away. Now, make sure that your gift card is available with you. Enter the 16 digits gift card number in the text box exactly as it appears in your gift card. Make sure to enter no spaces or dashes between the gift card digits. Now you will need to enter the security code that is available at the back of your gift card itself. Make sure that it is 8-digit long and enter it right here in this field. Finally, after filling in your gift card number, go to the bottom of the screen. If you want to receive emails about initiatives, announcements, and product offers from Starbucks, make sure to check on this little square box. If you don't want to receive them, leave it unchecked. And finally, click on I agree box and then click create account in order to sign up and also activate your gift card with Starbucks. So that is how you should be able to activate your Starbucks gift card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.